A common misperception is that to practice shamanism, one needs to be apprenticed in an indigenous or aboriginal tradition that has a tribal affiliation, and that the art of shamanism is something that only a select few are able to go ahead and say yes to the call. And that call involves a lot of pitfalls and perils and, deep challenges, hardships, and often painful awakenings. There is the dark night of the soul that is associated with shamanism. Yet if you take it into the context of a more global experience, I don't know one person on this planet who has not had a dark night of the soul. So in a way, we have all gone through a shamanic initiation. What is lacking is the cultural context, the map in which to navigate these very difficult situations in life, even emotional and mental breakdowns, and make them into a breakthrough. Make them into a rite of passage, make them into an initiation. Shamanism is about disciplined, imaginative focus. The ability to use the imaginal, the archetypal, the noetic, to use visionary states of consciousness, just like our dreams in the nighttime, and live them in the third dimensional waking state. And it's quite easy to do if you become playful like a child, if you are able to realize that there's no right or wrong way to live, that there is just openness to the experience of what life unfolds like in front of you. Therefore, one of the key components, awakening as a shamanic passerby on this good earth, is to not become an expert in anything, to always realize that we are learners, that we are always going to be awe, in wonderment as children. And if you keep that spirit of childlike awe, wonderment, and appreciation for the novelty and constant innovation that surrounds you, when you wake up in the morning, open your eyes, and realize how grateful you are for the sacred gift of life, at that point, the Puhyay Kausay, the game of life as we understand it in the Andes, becomes your guide, becomes the foundation of how to maintain yourself as immortal in being, beyond form, fearlessly free to be all worlds, times, and places that summon